Alright, today I got the GoPro 6. We'll be filming at 120 frames, but in post-processing I will try and slow it down to 20%, so that's 24 frames, 5 times slower. And I'm filming right now at 24 frames so that everything's as compatible as it can be. And we'll see how it works out. A pleasant surprise. Slowing down 120 frames per second video footage by 5 times or to 20% of original speed looks smooth enough for me. What do you think? Alright, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you saw something useful, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.